Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial on the Advanced Installer YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create an MSI installer with WiX Toolset. I've already created a Windows Forms app, so the next step is to add the setup project. In order to add it, make sure you have installed the WiX extension for Visual Studio. The extension is available on the Visual Studio Marketplace. Once the extension is installed, right-click on the project solution and choose Add New Project. From the list of templates, select Setup Project for WiX. After creating it, you can see the setup project in the Solution Explorer. Next, we need to add the project output to the setup project. For this step, we will use the WiX Setup Editor. It is a graphical user interface used to manage the setup files. To open it, go to Tools and choose WiX Setup Editor. Here we need to make some configurations. Select Install folder for the root directory and select your Windows Forms app in the Project to Install section. Make sure the files have the resolved state. If they have the unmapped state, update it to resolved by pressing this button. Now, let me show you how to modify the product details. For this, you need to open the product file. Here, you can edit the fields depending on what product details you want to change. For instance, let's set the version to 1.2. But how about creating a shortcut? Well, the WiX Setup Editor does not provide shortcut creation functionality, so we need to make some edits to the XML file to achieve this. If you're looking for an easy way to customize your installer and create desktop shortcuts, consider using Advanced Installer. It features a friendly graphical user interface, allowing you to customize your installer without needing to write code, unlike the WiX Toolset. Now, let's get back to our demo. First, we need to define the directory structures. Next, we have to add shortcuts to the installer package. The last step is to tell Windows to install the shortcuts. Before building the setup project, let's add a minimal UI, as by default WiX does not include a user interface. To add it, right-click on the setup project, choose Add and then choose References. In the Add Reference dialog, look in the bin folder of the WiX Toolset and add WiX UI extension DLL. Once added, go to the product file and add the next line inside the product element to reference the UI. Now, let's build a setup project and install the application. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel or visit the Advanced Installer blog.